In the previous video lesson, we learned how to convert propene to propyne. In this video lesson, let us understand to convert benzene to biphenyl. Benzene structure goes like this. First, let us write down and see what is being given and what has to be done to that. This benzene C6H6 has to be converted into biphenyl. So, one phenyl group is like this and another phenyl. So, we need to convert benzene to biphenyl like this. So, let us see how we can carry out the process. Benzene is subjected to halogenation. Let me say I am subjecting it to the process of bromination. This has to be done in presence of halogen carrier like FeBr3, ferric bromide. So two such rings of benzene or two such molecules of benzene will undergo the process of bromination. What happens? Bromine from here, one bromine from here will take an attachment to the benzene ring, and hydrogen from here will come back with one more bromine and goes out as HBr. So that is happening for two rings of benzene. Therefore, we will end up in the formation of two HBr molecules. Now let us see what is the product we are going to land up. So two benzene ring. Let me write the structure of benzene ring properly. So there goes our benzene ring. It's not still proper but still okay. So now we landed up in the formation of bromobenzene. Thus obtained bromobenzene is treated with, you should remember that we are talking with respect to two molecules. So it is treated with sodium, metallic sodium in presence of dry ether. Yes, the condition looks like as if it's in case of Woods reaction. So it's not actually Woods reaction. This reaction has to be called by the name as Woods-Fittig. This to be called as Fittig reaction only. This to be called as Fittig reaction only. Woods-Fittig reaction will have one molecule of alkyl halide, one molecule of aryl halide. Since both of the molecules considered here is aryl halide, the process is called Fittig reaction. The condition remains the same as in Woods reaction, to be treated with metallic sodium in presence of dry ether. So now what happens? Two molecules of Na will combine with two Br. One from each of the ring of benzene goes out as 2 NaBr. So now what happens? From this position, both the benzene ring takes an attachment and becomes a compound like this. So let us see how they will be forming the product of our requirement. So this is one benzene ring, takes attachment with another benzene ring. The product of our requirement is formed. So we landed up in the formation of biphenyl starting from benzene. Let me just go through quick repetition. Benzene is subjected to bromination in presence of halogen carrier. So two molecules of benzene gets converted into two molecules of bromobenzene. This bromobenzene is subjected to treatment with metallic sodium in presence of dry ether. Their process is called Fittig reaction, and we will end up in the formation of biphenyl along with formation of two molecules of NaBr. So therefore, in 2 steps itself, we'll be able to convert benzene to biphenyl.